Today I am reviewing the ASUS ProArt Display 27-inch QHD professional monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The ASUS ProArt Display PA278QGV is a monitor designed with one clear goal in mind: absolute color accuracy and professional-grade performance. This is not a gaming-first display, and it's not trying to be flashy or overstyled. Instead, it's built for content creators, designers, photographers, video editors, and professionals who demand reliable, consistent, and accurate visuals every single day. Starting with the display itself, the PA278QGV features a 27-inch QHD resolution panel, running at 2560 by 1440 pixels. This resolution hits a sweet spot for professional workflows. It offers noticeably more workspace and clarity than Full HD, without the scaling complications that sometimes come with 4K. Text looks sharp, UI elements are clean, and you get plenty of screen real estate for timelines, tool panels, and multi-window editing. The panel uses IPS technology, which means you get excellent viewing angles up to 178 degrees, both horizontally and vertically. Colors and brightness remain consistent even when viewed from the side, making it ideal for collaborative environments or dual monitor setups. Where this monitor truly shines is color accuracy. ASUS has equipped the PA278QGV with 95% DCI-P3 coverage and 100% sRGB, ensuring it meets international color standards used across photography, video production, web design, and print. Out of the box, the monitor is factory calibrated and Calman Verified, with a delta E value of less than 2. In simple terms, this means the colors you see on screen are extremely close to real-life colors, which is critical for color-sensitive work. For creators who work with multiple lighting environments, ASUS includes its Light Sync technology, which uses an ambient light sensor to automatically adjust the monitor's color output based on surrounding light conditions. Whether you're working during the day, at night, or under studio lighting, this feature helps maintain consistent color perception, reducing eye strain and improving accuracy. Another standout feature is the 120Hz refresh rate with variable refresh support. While this isn't marketed as a gaming monitor, the higher refresh rate makes a noticeable difference in daily use. Scrolling timelines, moving windows, and previewing animations all feel smoother and more responsive. For video editors and motion designers, this provides a more fluid and comfortable experience compared to standard 60Hz displays. The PA278QGV also supports HDR10, enhancing contrast and dynamic range when working with HDR-compatible content. While it's not a high-end HDR mastering display, it does offer better highlights and shadow detail than standard SDR monitors, which is useful for previewing HDR workflows. Connectivity is another area where ASUS clearly understands professional needs. The monitor includes DisplayPort, HDMI, and a built-in USB hub, allowing you to connect multiple devices such as desktops, laptops, and peripherals without clutter. This makes it ideal for clean workstation setups and productivity-focused environments. Ergonomics are excellent. The stand supports height adjustment, tilt, swivel, and full pivot rotation, allowing you to switch between landscape and portrait orientation effortlessly. This is especially valuable for coding, photo editing, and vertical content creation. The monitor is also VESA mount compatible, giving you flexibility if you prefer an arm-mounted setup. ASUS also emphasizes sustainability with this model. The packaging is made from paper-based materials, and the monitor meets energy-efficient environmental standards, making it a more eco-conscious choice for modern workspaces. In the box, ASUS includes everything you need to get started right away: DisplayPort cable, HDMI cable, USB cable, power cord, quick start guide, and warranty card. On top of that, buyers receive 3 months of Adobe Creative Cloud, which is a valuable bonus for designers and editors, valid until August 31st, 2026. Finally, ASUS backs the ProArt PA278QGV with a 3-year warranty, reinforcing its position as a long-term professional investment rather than a short-term upgrade. In conclusion, the ASUS ProArt Display PA278QGV is an outstanding choice for anyone who prioritizes color accuracy, consistency, and professional reliability. It delivers exceptional visual quality, smooth performance with its 120Hz refresh rate, thoughtful features like Light Sync, and excellent ergonomics. If you're a creative professional looking for a monitor you can trust for editing, design, and production work, this ProArt display is absolutely worth considering.